Previously, we conducted the experiment on lemon and salt water. Moving ahead, let's see what comes next in the lesson. After the lemon and salt water experiment, initiate another discussion with the students by asking, "Can you see the salt that you put in the water?" The students may say, "No." Then ask, "What happened to the salt? Did it vanish?" Accept all the responses. Thinking about possible responses will develop the critical thinking skills of the students. Inform the students that the salt cannot be seen because it has dissolved in the water. Now, state that we will be conducting another experiment to see which things dissolve and which things don't dissolve in water. Provide students with things such as 5 transparent glasses, 1 spoon, a bottle of water, sugar, soil, chalk powder, milk, oil. Then ask the students to pour water in all the 5 transparent glasses. Tell them to put sugar, soil, chalk powder, milk and oil in all the separate glasses. Then ask them to stir the ingredients put in the water. Further, ask them to write the observations in a tabular form. The table should have 3 columns named Objects, Did it dissolve or not? And What happened after keeping it for 2 minutes. The table will look something like this. Ask the students to fill the table. For instance, if the object they are testing is sugar, then they will mention it in the first column. In the second column, they will write that it dissolved, and in the third column, they will write that the water looked the same. Give the students some time to fill the table completely. After the students are done, ask them a few questions such as, "Could you see the sugar after it dissolved in water? What happened to the sugar?" Let the students respond. Then ask, "What difference can you see in between the water with sugar and the water with soil?" Accept all the possible responses. Enquire on what they observed when oil and water were mixed. Ask, "Did the oil dissolve in the water?" Let the students answer. More such leading questions can be asked. Conclude by stating that different objects have different characteristics. This is why different objects react differently when mixed with water. With this, we are done with the explanation of the concepts mentioned in the beginning of this session. In the next session, we will explain to the students the concept of flow of liquids through a work from home activity.